Hello everyone, welcome to Costing Methods and Techniques class. In today's class, we are going to solve another problem on tenders and quotations. In previous class, already one problem we have solved and this is second problem. I'll read out the problem first. The records of Vigneshwara Industries show the following figures of expenses for the year ending 31st December 2018. Materials opening stock on 1st January 2018 20,000. Purchases during the year 3 lakhs. Closing stock is 60,000. Then labor chargeable expenses is given, works overheads, office expenses, marketing expenses, sales. Okay. Now next is the annual output was 2000 units. The budget for the year 2019 provides production target of 1500 units. Prepare a statement of estimated cost for 2019. The following information may be useful in this regard. Labor cost may decline by 20%. 40% of works overheads are variable, fluctuate with change in production. 70% of marketing expenses are fixed. Fixed works overheads are expected to go up by 5,000. Office expenses and fixed marketing expenses may increase by 25%. So this is what is the problem. Okay. Now in the year 2018, their production is 2000 units. Okay. Now we have to give quotation. Like a statement of quotation has to be prepared for the year 2019 considering all this information. Okay, so first we will prepare for the year 2018. Now just go through the problem. In this they haven't given direct material, so first we need to prepare a note, that is calculation of direct material. Okay, yes. Now first what they have given, opening stock. Opening stock is already given. So opening stock. Okay, opening stock is 20,000. Then purchases is given. Add purchases. Purchases is 3 lakh. Okay, now add this. That is 3 lakh 20,000. Okay, now from this we need to deduct closing stock. It is closing stock. Now closing stock is how much? 60,000. Okay. Yes. Now just find out the balance. So that will be 2,60,000. 2,60,000. Okay, so this is called as what? Direct material. Okay, understanding? Yes, this is our first working note. Now next we need to prepare statement. Next we need to prepare a statement of cost rate. Okay, yes. Now for this, write down heading Vigneshwar Industries. Vigneshwar Industries. Next line, cost rate for the year ending 31st December 2018. Output is 2000 units. So particulars, total cost and cost per unit. Okay, now we know how much is direct material. Okay, direct material is how much? 2,60,000 as per our first working note. 2,60,000 divided by 2000 units. So that will be 130 rupees. 130 rupees. Okay, next. Okay, next what they have given, labor. That is called as what? Direct wages. Direct wages, labor. So the labor amount is 80,000. Labor amount is 80,000. Again 80,000 divided by 2000 units, that is rupees 40. Okay, yes. Now next is direct expenses. Direct expenses. So what they have given here, chargeable expenses, you can write this in bracket. Okay, chargeable expenses is 20,000. Okay, 20,000 divided by 2000 units, that is rupees 10. Fine. Okay, now next is find out prime cost. Okay, now prime cost is how much? Just add all these, that is 3,60,000. 3,60,000 divided by 2000 units, that is rupees 180. That is rupees 180. Okay, now to this we need to add factory overheads. Yes, now factory overheads, what information is given in the problem? Works overheads is given. Okay, yes, anything else is given? No, there is an adjustment relating to works overheads, right? Yes. See here, works overhead is given, that is 60,000, and there is an adjustment relating to this. 40 read second adjustment. 40% of works overheads are variable. It means 40% is variable. It means 60% is fixed. Okay. So just we will divide it and take it here. Okay. So here you can write 40%. 40% of amount is 60,000. 60,000 is variable. Understanding? Yes. Now calculate this. 60,000 into 40% is 24,000. 24,000 divided by 2,000. So that is 12 rupees. Okay. Yes. Now next is 60% of 60,000 is fixed. Is fixed. Yes. Now calculate this. So that is 36,000. Again divided by 2,000 is 18 rupees. Yes. Understanding? Hope so. Everybody is understanding this. Just according to adjustment, we have divided 60,000 into fixed as well as variable. So make a total. So that total is called as works cost. That total is called as works cost. Make a total 3,60,000, 24,000 plus 36,000. So that will be 4,20,000. Now cost per unit is 210. Okay. Yes. Now next is add administrative overheads. Administrative overheads. Now what information is given related to administrative overheads? Just go through the problem. Yes, here they have given office expenses 30,000. So there is no such adjustment relating to it. Okay. Office expenses 30,000 again divided by 2000 units, that is 15 rupees. Okay. Now again go through the problem. If anything else is given relating to administrative overheads, they haven't given any other expense. So this itself is called as what? Cost of production. Cost of production. Okay. Yes. Now make a total. So that is 4,50,000 and this is 225. Okay. Next is add selling and distribution overheads. Okay, now selling and distribution overheads. There is an adjustment relating to this. Just go through the problem. Now selling and distribution overheads. Here marketing expense 30,000 is given. Just read third additional information. 70% of marketing expenses are fixed. If 70% is fixed, it means 30% is variable. Right? So again we will separate it and show selling expenses. Okay, so sorry, marketing expenses. It is marketing expenses. Marketing expenses 70% is fixed. Okay, so 70% of amount is 30,000 is fixed. Okay, yes, and the amount is 21,000. 21,000 divided by 2,000 is 10.50. Okay, 30% 30% of 30,000 is variable, right? So that is 9,000 divided by 2,000 is 4.50. Okay, yes. Now find out cost of sales. Four lakh 50,000 plus 21,000 plus 9,000. That is 4 lakh 80,000. This is 240. Now sales is given. Just to go through the problem. Sales is 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs divided by 2,000. It is 240. Sorry, 250. Profit 20,000. divided by 2000 is 10 rupees. Okay, so this is what is cost sheet for the year 2018. Okay, now considering the additional information whatever they have given, so based on that we need to prepare an quotation. Okay, yes, now for that write down heading statement showing quotation price for 1500 units. Now this quotation will be given in the year 2019. Fine. Okay, now go through the problem. Just check if any other information is given. Now this direct material is for 2000 units. Now in the year 2019 their estimation is only 1500 units. Okay, yes. Now cost per unit we will take it as it is as per 2018, that is 130. But here production is 1500. Okay, so here you can show direct material in bracket you can show 1500 units into rupees 130 into rupees 130. Okay, so that will be 1,95,000 and this is 130. Okay, now next is direct wages. See, any information is given. Labor cost may decline by 20%. It may decline by 20%, I have told. Okay, now here direct wages. Okay, in bracket you can show the calculation or do one thing. Next line here. Uh, Now here it is. We will write it here. That is labor cost per unit is 40 rupees, isn't it, for the year 2018? Just see here. For the year 2018, direct wages is 40. So that only we have taken 40. Okay. Now from this we are going to deduct less 30 per. You can write 30% reduced. Okay, so this also can be shown in the bracket, that is 40 into 30%. That is rupees 8. So that will be 32 rupees, right? So 32 into 1500. So that is 48,000. 48,000. Understanding? Hope so. This is clear to you all. Okay. Now next is direct expenses. Direct expenses. Now direct expenses, just check if any information is given related to direct expenses. They haven't given us the any information. So what we will do, we will keep cost per unit as same. Cost per unit. So 10 into 1500. So that will be 15,000. So if they have not given any information, so cost per unit we are going to keep it as it is. See here 10 rupees we have kept as it is As the production is 1500, so we are multiplying it by 1500. Okay, yes. Now add this. So that is 2,58,000, 2,58,000, and this is 172 rupees. Okay, so what this is called as? This is called as prime cost. It is prime cost. Okay, now next is add factory overheads. Okay, now factory overheads, just to go through the problem if any information is given related to this. Okay, now here 40% is variable and 60% is fixed. Now apart from this adjustment, there is another adjustment. Fixed works overheads are expected to go up by 5,000. So it is going to, only fixed is going to increase by 5,000. So that we need to show it here. So first what we will do, we will show variable. Okay, now here variable is rupees 12. Cost per unit is 12 because that has not changed, right? So you can write here rupees 12 into, okay, units is 1500 units, 1500 units, right? Okay, now this you can show here, that is 18,000, and here is 12 rupees. As they haven't given us any information, so we are keeping cost per unit as same. Now here fixed. Okay, now fixed expenses, in the sense, even if the production increases or decreases, the fixed expenses will remain same. Understanding? Yes. Now here fixed expense is 36,000. So production may vary, but fixed expenses will not change. Okay, but variable expenses will change according to increase or decrease in the production, but fixed will not change. So here fixed is not going to change. Okay, so fixed expenses is 36,000. We are going to keep it as it is in the inner column. Okay, now what they have told, it is going to increase by 5,000. So increase by 5,000, right? Okay, now this is 41,000. Sorry, this is 41,000. Okay, now 41,000 divided by 1,500, divided by 1,500, so that will be 27.33. 27.33. Okay, yes. Now make a total. This is 3,17,000. Okay, and this is 211.33. Okay, yes. Now this is called as what? This is called as works cost. This is called as works cost. Next is add administrative overheads. Okay, now related to administrative overheads, there is an adjustment. Just go through. office expenses and fixed marketing expenses may increase by 25%. So office expense is going to increase by 20%, sorry, 25%. So office expenses. Now office expense here, it is how much? 30,000. 30,000. Okay. Now here it is how much? Office expense amount is inner column 30,000. Okay. Next is add 25%. In bracket you can show the calculation. 30,000 into 25 divided by 100. Okay. So that is 7,500. Okay. Now add these and take it outer column. So that is 37,500. 37,500. And here it is 37,500 divided by 1,500 is 25 rupees. Is 25 rupees. Okay. And make a total. So this total is cost of production. Cost of production. Now make total of this. So that is 3,54,500. Okay. And this is 236.33. 236.33. Okay. Now next is add selling and distribution overheads. Okay. Now related to selling and distribution overheads, again it is going to increase. Fixed marketing expenses may increase by 25%. So only fixed is going to increase but not the variable. Okay. Marketing expenses okay, that is variable. In bracket you can show the calculation. Okay. Now cost per unit for this is rupees 4.50 for the year 2018 into number of units is 1,500 units. Okay. Yes. So that is 6,750 and this is 4.50. 4.50. Okay. Now next is fixed. Okay. Now fixed. Here amount is 21,000 for the year 2018. Okay. Now add increase 25%. Increase 25%. So 21,000 21,000 into 25 divided by 100. Okay, so that is how much? Just calculate this. 5,250. 5,250. Okay, so add these two and take it outer column, that is 26,250. 26,000, I'm sorry, 26,000, 26,250. Okay, now divided by 1,500 is 17.50. 17.50. Okay, now cost of sales. Cost of sales. Now cost of sales is 3,87,500 and this is 258.33. 258.33. Now here for estimation they haven't given any information related to profit nor the sales. So this itself is your answer. Okay. Hope so this problem is clear to you all. Again go through the problem once again. Solve it. Okay. So in my next class again we are going to solve another problem on tenders and quotation. Okay. Now see you in next class.